What business can I run from home? Welcome to AXU.com. There are numerous businesses you can run from home, depending on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are some home-based business ideas that you can consider. Freelance services. Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, virtual assistance, or consulting. Online coaching or tutoring. Share your knowledge and provide coaching or tutoring services online. You can specialize in various subjects or offer specialized skills coaching, such as fitness training or language learning. E-commerce. Set up an online store and sell products of your choice. You can either create your own products or utilize dropshipping to sell products from third-party suppliers. Handcrafted products. If you have creative skills, you can create and sell handmade products like jewelry, artwork, candles, or customized crafts through online platforms like Etsy. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Online courses or workshops. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses or hosting virtual workshops in your field of knowledge. Digital marketing services. Help businesses improve their online presence by offering services such as social media management, search engine optimization, SEO, content creation, or digital advertising. Virtual event planning. Organize and coordinate virtual events, conferences, or webinars for clients from the comfort of your home. Professional services. If you have professional qualifications, you can offer services like accounting, bookkeeping, legal consulting, or financial planning remotely.
Home-based bakery or food services. If you enjoy baking or cooking, you can start a home-based bakery or food delivery service. Check local regulations regarding food preparation and selling. Virtual assistant agency. Hire and manage a team of virtual assistants who can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses remotely. Online reselling. Buy and resell products through online platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Poshmark. You can source products from wholesalers, thrift stores, or garage sales. Personal fitness trainer. Offer personalized fitness training sessions online. You can create workout plans, provide coaching via video calls, and help clients achieve their fitness goals. Home-based daycare. You enjoy working with children, consider starting a home-based daycare service. Ensure compliance with local regulations and provide a safe and nurturing environment for children. Pet sitting or dog walking. Provide pet sitting or dog walking services for busy pet owners in your area. This can be an excellent option if you have a love for animals. Graphic design services. If you have design skills, offer graphic design services such as logo creation, branding, or web design to clients online. Social media influencer. Build a strong social media presence by creating engaging content in a niche that interests you. As your following grows, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored content and endorsements. Home-based salon or spa. If you have expertise in beauty or wellness services, you can set up a home-based salon or spa offering services like haircuts, manicures, massages, or facials. Language instruction. If you are fluent in multiple languages, offer online language lessons or translation services to individuals or businesses. Home-based gardening or landscaping. Provide gardening or landscaping services to clients in your area. This can include planting, lawn maintenance, or garden design. Remember, when selecting a home-based business, consider your skills, interests, and the market demand for your chosen product or service. Conduct thorough market research, create a business plan, and establish a professional online presence to attract customers and grow your business. Thanks for watching.